Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox network keeps disconnecting issues that you may be seeing when you are trying to play Roblox on your Windows device. So let's get right into it. So the first thing is you want to go to the search bar and write network connections, and you will basically open up this page. So in here, if you're connected via Wi-Fi, do it there, or Ethernet, whichever one you're connected to. Right click over there and click into properties. In here, we're going to scroll down and look for something called Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 etc. Click into properties, and we're going to change obtain DNS server from automatically to manual essentially, and we're going to change it to 8.8.8.8 for preferred and alternate to 8.8.4.4. We're basically going to do this and press OK. Once we do this, we're going to then go to the search bar again and write CMD, right click and run as administrator. And here we're going to write Discord, or command per se, not code, ipconfig flash DNS. Basically, we're going to do that. It's going to successfully flash the DNS server and then restart your computer. Once you do that, you should be able to then play your Roblox game. The network error should not happen anymore, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.